Hello everyone, welcome back to Playwright from Zero to Hero. I am your instructor Mahesh Patil. In this lesson, we will create a simple JavaScript or Node.js application, the classic Hello World program, which is a traditional first step when learning any programming language. To begin with, let's create a new folder on your computer. Let's name it as JS Basics. So this step is same whether you are on Windows or any other operating system. By now, I assume your development environment should be set up with Node.js installed and Visual Studio ready to go. If not, please refer the previous videos. Let me go back to Visual Studio. Once the folder is created, just open that folder. Click on the file, click on open folder and go to the desktop, select the folder. Now that you have an empty folder, open the terminal in the VS Code by clicking on the terminal and new terminal. You see your terminal is opened up. In the terminal type the command npm init and press enter. This will create a package.json file which is a configuration file for Node.js applications. You will be prompted to enter the various values for various fields. For now, just click on enter to accept the default values and finally confirm by pressing enter again. See, I'm doing enter, 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 enter. Yes. Now you can see the package.json file is created. Now let's create a new folder called, let's just in order to create a new folder, click on this icon and you can name it as class 1. So in this, let's create in this main folder, let's create our first JavaScript file called let me just, in order to create a file, click on this icon here. So you can just say hello world, hello world dot JS. Just open this thing. Let me minimize this part. Now it's time to write your first line of code in this .hw hello world dot JS file. So you can use console dot log, open and close braces. Just say hello world inside this. So your first line of code is ready. Now you can run this thing. So in order to run this code, you have to navigate to lessons folder in the terminal. You see now it is in Java Basics. So you have to uh, navigate to your class folder. So I'll just change it to, so sorry, it is getting typed there. So just say cd class 1. So you can see now your folder got changed. Now you are inside the class 1. Now you can run the program using the command node and the name of your file, which is hw.js. There you go. Your first program is completed and it ran successfully, and you can see the output. Hello world printed in the terminal. That's it. You have successfully written your first program. Congrats. We'll continue to build on this in the upcoming classes. See you in the next class.